Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today Lindy will be showing you how to make a delicious dish of rice and lentils, or peas if you'd like. It's simple, healthy, and the aroma is absolutely irresistible. Let's get started.
So basically today I'm going to do rice and peas. First of all, I had to chop up onion, which I already did. Chop up onion with garlic, and I'm using lentils, this type of lentil, brown lentils. So I already put lentils in water, which I'm gonna wash, and I'm gonna use brown rice. The brown rice. So I'm gonna wash everything together, make sure I wash it, and then the next thing is I'm gonna put it in the pot. First of all, I think I will do fry the onion, and then I put the rest into it. Right, so the next thing, do you know what? I'm a big believer in cooking and eating my own food from home, which is very important for us. So I'm gonna make it rice and peas. First of all, I put the olive oil, and I'm gonna put onion and garlic here, just to kind of semi-fried, not a lot. So, and I'm using my skillet. This is my favorite cooking pot. Actually, it's a skillet. You can cook everything and anything you want to cook in this pot. And so I just put it in there and put it on 130. And what I'll do, I'll cover it a little bit. I think what I'll do, I'll season the onion as well, just a little bit, with my favorite vegetable seasoning. It's a bit salty, so I don't put a lot, just a little bit like that with the olive oil, and I'll leave it for kind of like maybe 10 minutes just to simmer. And so we close it, and then the next thing is we can put the lentils and the rice in there. Right, so the onion is ready. So now is the time. We're gonna put the lentils in there. So see, just a normal brown lentils, and we're going to put brown rice in there. So let's just put it in nicely, and then we just make sure we stir everything together so that they will be nice and marinated together, and then make sure that all the rice is gone there. As I said, it's quite very important that you cook from home, because you know what you put in your food, and it's much tastier for your own. And we believe in knowing what you put in your body, which is important. So the next thing is we just water in there, and this skillet is one of the best thing. Just leave it in there, make sure you cover it, everything is covered under water, and then and that's it. We still leave it on 130, and because that will just cook it nicely, and then there we cover it nicely, and then we'll let it cook. Right, let's see. Ready. You see, this is now our rice and peas. It's actually ready. As you can see, it's really nice. Quite very easy to do as well. Very easy to do. I'm using a skillet. If any one of you are interested into this salad master pot, just give me a shout. But this is one of the best pots that you can ever have I have multiple pots anyway. I like cooking with a quality pot, but this is really nice. You can cook your rice in here. You can cook your, if you're a meat eater, you can cook your chicken or meat, any type of. You can. It's really nice. So, but this is ready. Really yummy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice.
And there you have it, Lindy showing us exactly how it's done. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Enjoy!